No, there's nothing there, buddy. We're not playing right now. Do I have to look here? A banana? Right. Good job, buddy. Yeah, those are squishmallows. You wanna go lay over there? You can go lay over there, but Daddy don't come with you. Daddy sit here. Okay, go down. Go lay down there. No, Daddy hold the knife. You're welcome. Play by yourself, buddy. You have to play by yourself. Good morning, good morning. What's going on, guys? Just getting started here. The market got a little bit of a bailout yesterday to the tune of $400 billion from the Fed. So the Fed gave somebody's $400 billion interest-free, which is why we're seeing this rebound right now as margin calls started rolling around yesterday, causing this liquidity crisis here. Funds selling off, and so someone went to the government and begged for $400 billion, got bailed out, but it is a short-term interest-free loan, so they will need to pay this back sometime, which means they're just kicking the can down the road a little bit. Still holding my shorts here, puts on the SPY. I don't think this is gonna last. I think this is gonna be a little bit of a fake pump, just trying to get people's mind off the downturn in the market yesterday. A little bit of reprieve there, but I think we're going to get a continuation of the drop this morning. This pump here, I mean, we went to the low of, you don't touch this, buddy. We went to a low of 402 on the SPY, and now we're back at 406. Pretty big move. Even a 2-point drop or a 2-point run on the SPY is a fairly big move. AMC got a nice little pump. So the SPY and the NASDAQ kind of moving the same here. AMC getting a nice little pump. AMC, we started moving in yesterday. Why? Because we saw this nice uptrend, right? Look at this uptrend. Beautiful. Yeah, buddy. So start taking position for this uptrend here, and this morning AMC continually uptrend. We see spikes in AMC and then sell off, spikes, sell off, spikes, sell off. So we know AMC is trying to move, but short sellers are keeping it down right now. So every time we get a spike, they're just re-shorting to keep it low. Otherwise, they're going to get blown out. We saw already margin calls roll around yesterday. They need to get bailed out. $400 billion is no small bailout, right? So this has been in the works for a while. This bailout was set up and put on hold for them, and then they needed it yesterday, and it came in. GameStop on the screen over here showing the same thing, a nice upward trend starting here. We still need to break this level here, but we have a nice, yeah, you got trains, buddy. Grandpa got them for you. Put them on the track. You want to put them on the track? We got this nice upward trend starting here. Move room up to 161, and then a pure blast off from there.
Papa?
So you want to read trains, buddy? You want to read book? You want to read book? Okay, come over here. That's pretty much what I'm watching for in the markets today. Gonna hold my shorts here unless we get a massive upward move in the markets. As of last night, I was up 134% on one set of SPY puts. My other set of SPY puts up 43%. So today it'll be a little bit less, but otherwise still up quite a significant amount. AMC calls yesterday on the close was down 33%, but this morning we should be way up. Yeah, buddy, yeah. So it should be way up on all my positions that I'm holding right now, but obviously being very conservative because we know a market crash is coming. It's imminent. We see it in the books. It's been in the writing for the past couple of days there. Started taking shorts from Thursday, Friday, as you guys saw, and just been in and out of short positions, taking profit as we go, rolling them into more short positions there. So buying puts on the SPY or buying puts on TQQQ, whichever is showing more weakness there. And we saw inflation news hit, right? Crazy inflation news yesterday, coming in like 4.6, 4.7 for the quarter. Estimated was about 3.6, so way over, like 33% higher than expected. Hey, you want some banana? No? You want some milk? You want some orange? Okay, have some orange. And then we see the 10-year treasury spiking because of that. Crypto all suffered this massive drop yesterday as well after this decline. So someone is looking for liquidity in the market, selling up large positions. Yeah, let's see what happens in the market. We got a nice little bump right here. We need to break this orange line before anything happens in GameStop. And then we need to break 161. But if we go above 161, we should see a whole bunch more margin calls for GameStop. For AMC, I'm thinking that level here is 1150. We touched here twice this morning and it came back down. So someone doesn't want us to pass that level there. Let's see what happens. Market's opening in a couple seconds here. 15 seconds. As of yesterday morning, what we saw was a little bit of a pump the minute the market opened, and then rejection from a resistance and then downturn for the rest of the day. That's what I expect to happen this morning as well. Let's get it. Yeah, that's a nice buddy. Squeak. Squeak. But SPY looking really strong right now. I mean, all these that got killed yesterday are looking strong. Pump, consolidation to the blue, and then another pump. That's what it looks like. If it wasn't for the news that someone got bailed out 400 billion, and the fact that we know very short on liquidity, we have liquidity test today, I would be going long here. Yeah, I'm gonna watch Tesla here. I'm gonna watch the SPY. Okay, we're just waking up. Hello. Yeah, I could do so sleepy. Looking for resistance levels here. Yeah, that's breakfast on the SPY. We have resistance here at 408.25 and then 408.61. Let's see if we can break 408 here. Yes, carrying breakfast trays up. 408 just breaking here. So this here is our level of the fib, which is 409.16. I don't think this is going anywhere, right? So every time we get a massive spike like this, we know it's going to come right back down because there's no support structure under it. So the minute it comes down, it's going to come down hard. So don't FOMO in here, guys. Be careful of the reversal. AMC sell off and then a bounce. Watching the markets here. Yeah, buddy. Eating your orange. Getting a little bit of resistance here at 408.20. 408.20, 408.10. I'm actually going to pick up one more put at this level. And then if we break this candle, I'll just get out and take my profit. Otherwise, we're hitting a resistance point here. 408.25 was a resistance point yesterday, and 408.61. So I'm watching that here. We're getting stuck here. We went all the way up to 408.27, and then we got stuck. Hailing wick on Tesla. I want Tesla to come down, break this blue, break this yellow, and start coming down here. We see this candle turning red. It was a nice green pump. Now turning red. Let's check the rest of the market's game. Obviously going up. We got Chipotle up a bit. We got Square coming back down. QS coming back down. We got the tech sector spike and then coming off the highs. Bitcoin trying to push a little bit here. So yesterday we saw Tesla lead. So if Tesla's coming down, I expect the SPY to follow. Let's see. Careful here, guys. Tweezer top on the SPY. So we got Tesla breaking below the blue, breaking below the yellow, and now the blue acting as a resistance as it tries to come back up. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Yeah, that's an evil stepmom. Stepmom. Holding my puts here. I'm going to exit if we break this level here. Just hitting another level of resistance right here at 408.60s. We broke right through that on the upside. So, you want to read more? Okay. Be careful here, guys. A lot of weakness in Tesla right now. And we have volume falling off the SPY. Right, we got this massive volume candle here, giving us this spike. And then this little candle here, we have very low volume on it. I'm trying to sustain that momentum, but volume is not following through. Anytime you see this happen, that means momentum is falling off. You need momentum to sustain the run. We got TQs trying to push. AMC trying to break $11 a share. Yeah. Yes, very bad, right? That's Cinderella. Hitting the fib here. I'm gonna buy one more put at this level, 410 put for tomorrow. And then if we break through, I'm getting out. Yeah, you wanna read some more? We got game trying to run. Yeah. Ah, he's yawning. Just woke up. So sleepy. Have some milk, buddy. Want some milk? Yeah, have some. He's yawning. He just woke up. He's sleepy. You don't hold your own milk, buddy? Daddy turned face this way. Getting a letter in the mail. Yeah. It's evil stepmom. So we got AMC and GameStop running this morning. Well, everything is actually running this morning. So we have the SPY getting stuck here at the fib. We got Square coming down. QS coming down off the highs. Chipotle still holding. We got Tesla coming down off the highs. So it looks like we're getting a reverse of momentum here, guys, right? So we got that early morning pump, kind of like a bull trap, right? People trying to trick us into thinking the market is back up, right? A bull run coming back, reversal from yesterday's drop off. But remember, guys, this entire week I've been talking about what coming today? Liquidity test, which means all the banks, all the funds are going to need a whole bunch of collateral in their account to make sure that they can pass this sort of liquidity test. And we see massive sell-offs this morning because of that, right? Not only this morning, but over the past couple of days. So 91% up on my AMC call. Is gonna sell that, take some profit here. Daddy gotta sell. Go get your stuff. So taking some profit here. Play by yourself, buddy. Daddy gotta trade for a second. You gotta wait. Yeah, just wait, buddy. Wait for daddy. Hey. Not right now, buddy. We're not watching basketball right now. So, took some profit on AMC. Yeah. We got Tesla lower highs off the top. We got Game continuing to push. Game kind of moving like the SPY this morning. Not exactly sure why. Game usually has a negative beta to the SPY, so that means the SPY goes up, Game goes down. If Game goes up, SPY goes down. Everything right now I'm watching is coming down. AMC moving up. Took some profit as we touched this fib here. 95% up on my AMC calls. Took some of that profit off the table. Holding some for the moon run. Woo, 130% up now in those calls. I like it. 8% up on my SPY puts. Remember, guys, I was 130% up yesterday. Now only 8% up. But I was adding to my SPY puts this whole way. So increasing my cost position actually. But I do think we're going to get a market downturn right here. We've got tailing weight off the top lower high here, trying to hold this level, right? So remember what I said, anytime we get this massive spike, we're going to get a massive drop as well because we have nowhere to consolidate. So we consolidated right here. We got algos kicking in, saying this is a consolidation point because this is where the candles ended and met. But it's not really a consolidation point here. It's just where the last 5-minute candle ended and the new one started. Got the AMC holding strong here. AMC, you wanna hide under the blanket. What you wanna do? What you wanna do, bro? Yeah. Yeah. Our daddy's chair. But AMC has massive interest rate, right, on their shorts. So I can't ignore the fact that AMC uptrend and short interest, if you want to short the stock, costs like 70%, which is crazy high. So very expensive to short AMC. Yeah, have some banana. Take big bite, buddy. Big bite. Take bite. Big bite. Daddy, bite it. Yeah, bite it, buddy. Eat it. Woohoo! AMC running. We got a game running as well. So we got the rest of the market tanking. We got Tesla coming back down, QS coming back down, Square coming back down, Chipotle kind of holding, but we have game running. We got AMC running, so I expect SPY to fall. I expect. Yeah, what are you on, buddy? No, what are you pointing at? I don't know what you're pointing at. This daddy's trading screen. What do you want over there, buddy? Don't play by yourself, buddy. Daddy's trading. If we break this level here, I gotta be getting out. Otherwise, gonna hold these calls. Game looking good. AMC looking good. We got a double top here on the SPY. Yeah, AMC breaking 1150. That was the pre-market high, critical pivot point, and we just broke that. So I think AMC and GameStop gonna run this morning. Yeah, you wanna read this? Low volume push on the SPY. Look at that. We got a big red bar on the sell-off on the SPY, and then we got two little green blips here trying to push up the price. Nice try. There's no volume there. This is just going to reverse right back down. Also, be careful on GameStop. You're looking at the same thing on Game. Low volume push. But remember, GameStop has very low liquidity, which means little volume, big move. That is the opposite of the SPY, right? SPY, little volume, little move. AMC, big buys coming in here, right? Good volume coming in on these buys. Yeah, that's Grandma's house. Hi, Grandma. AMC selling here. Long tailing wick off the top. Getting out. Woo! Very nice. That's like 120% return. I like it. That. Oh yeah, that's the wolf. Get the wolf, buddy. Ooh, actually no, it was higher. The 159.91% return on those calls that we picked up yesterday. We'll take it. Out of AMC, out of game, short term for now. Dang. Yeah.
Papa.
Apples. Can you say apple?
Papa.
Apple.
Papa. Papa. Papa.
Apple.
Papa.
Apple.
Papa.
Apple.
Papa.
Yeah, good job, buddy.
Papa.
Apple. Look at the spy trying to hang out here. Tesla coming down, QS coming down, Square coming down, Chipotle coming down now. The game just bouncing off this. I like it. So on the TQs, right, tech sector coming down. Look at the U.S. Treasury coming down though, so that's going to help out the tech sector a bit. Bitcoin just flat. AMC trying to hold this level here. Yay, everybody dancing! So with tech coming down, I don't see why SPY is hanging out up here. It's probably going to follow. If the tech sector sells off, the SPY should sell off as well. It's not a sector rotation. This is just a sell-off to get liquidity. Yeah. Yeah. And also, oh, that's a cat buddy. And also from yesterday, right, it's huge red market, which means a lot of retail traders like you and I, if we're trading on margin, that's a cat right there. That's right, buddy. Yeah, that's a guy. We'll get margin called as well, right? Sometime today, sometime tomorrow. And so unless we put more money in our accounts, we're going to have to sell our positions. Yeah. Which is going to cause more of a market downturn. Yeah, that's a cat. It's a cat. He's catching a mouse. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, there's a cat there. Yeah. Are y'all done eating?
Papa. Bam.
So okay. No, we don't hit, buddy. We don't hit. There's no reason to hit the book. You got a small move on the SPY again. Low volume. Every time we get to this point, we're getting a sell-off. If we do this, Daddy don't read to you. Are you gonna hit the book? Stop hitting the book.
Papa. 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 Papa.
You gotta eat breakfast first. Daddy don't read to you until you eat. What do you want, buddy? Roof, you want the little dog? Want this guy? You get this, that's all you get. You go to mama? Is that a new one? Yeah. Give me a sec, I'll be right back, guys. Go in. Yeah. Where's mom? Come on. Woo! AMC, nice hold of that position. I'm all out of AMC right now. I took my profit already. The SPY is moving up.
Papa. Papa.
I'm gonna need to cut my position on the SPY.
Papa.
My SPY puts. Did I open this for you? AMC, nice move game. Some tailing wicks off the top here, guys. We're getting some curvature, so watch out here on game. Let's check the other stocks. We got Tesla bouncing back a bit. We got QS. So everything is bouncing back just a little. Let's see what happens. We need to get follow through here, or else it's just going to be a little bit fake out bounce. We've got AMC moving. Might need to hop into AMC here. So I'm going to buy $12 call. I'm going to wait here so we get a little bit of a dip back down to the red to green zone right here. Looks like we're pushing, hopping in here, getting a $12 call for AMC for tomorrow. Looking at the SPY looking strong. We probably are going to hit this and come back down. We do have resistance here and we have resistance here. So still looking for SPY puts. I think this is a fake out. I don't think SPY is going to run today. Ooh, SPY continuing to push. Let's see if we can break this. This area here is going to be a massive area of resistance. 411, 412. I'm going to try to retake some puts at this level here if we get up to there. Ooh, this morning, crazy market. A bit of a sell-off on GameStop. Hey, buddy. Hey there, buddy. Okay. Yeah, all done, buddy. What do you want to do with those dominoes now?
Yeah.
You want to put them together with the rest of your dominoes? Yeah, buddy. AMC holding really well. Normally AMC we get a pump and then a drop, a pump and then a drop, but AMC is just hanging out up here. Look at the Nasdaq hanging up out here too as well, but we got tailing wicks 1, 2, 3 tailing wicks off the top. Watching here. AMC. AMC, what you doing? It's blasting off this morning. Getting a bit of a pause here on the SPY. I'm gonna watch here. I'm gonna try and time my puts. Tesla touching some resistance points here. Looking a little bit dangerous here on AMC, but we are uptrending. But we do have tailing wicks off the top on the last 3 5-minute candles here. So what does that tell us, guys? That tells us there's a lot of selling pressure at around 1160. You gotta turn off your train. Go turn off your train first. Let's see if we can break this level. The SPY is moving, so I'm gonna need to take some calls on the SPY here, and then I'm gonna try and sell as we get up to this area here, which is 1011. Yeah, buddy, give me a second. Okay. So I'm going to buy a 1011 call on the SPY for tomorrow. And I'm going to sell as we hit 411. So I took a 411 call. I'm going to sell as we get up to here. Just a quick flip. Bring that over. Alright. Ooh, AMC at 1180. Ah. No, nothing up there. Don't watch this, buddy. No, we're not watching basketball now. Alright, go watch yourself. AMC calls almost up 10%. Ooh, TQs. Looks like we're getting a nice move. I think we might get a sell-off later today. Let's see. No sign of it just yet. AMC, I'm gonna sell my calls as we approach this level here of 1220. I'm gonna sell one call and let one ride. Playing very small positions. Yeah, buddy. Looking to take profit on my SPY calls here around this yellow line, which is 411.65. Do you want some milk? You want any milk? Okay. Good job, buddy.
Baba. Baba.
What's Baba?
Baba.
We're not watching basketball now, buddy. We'll watch basketball later. AMC getting stuck as we approach $12. Be careful here, guys. This was a pre-market resistance for Tesla, 605. Approaching pre-market highs on Square as well. Banana? No? Do you want orange? Yeah, good job, buddy. Eat it. See what happens. AMC here, we have a consolidation level here at 1160. How do you want to do that? You want to go down? These guys. Watching out here, we're getting some resistance on the SPY. I'm selling my call here. Pretty much made like 5% profit. How you doing, buddy? Go play. Yeah, go play. Go play, buddy. You gotta go play by yourself. You gotta learn how to play by yourself, buddy. I'm taking some puts at this level on the SPY. I'm by 411 put. Any poo-poo? Any poo-poo? Okay, let's go poo-poo then. I took a put here, guys. I'll be right back. This guy needs to poo. No, he's go poo-poo. He needs to poo-poo. He needs to poo-poo or no? No, don't get afraid of dog when you poo-poo. You know you fit. Come on, buddy. This one's happening. until you get back in here. You don't go and buy. What's up, babe?
Dave, Frank is installing the door now.
Huh?
Oh. You too?
You take care of it?
Banana? Yes! Banana! Very good! You said it this morning too. Did you? A banana? Yes!
So we actually found a support right here. Let's see what happens as we get to this line, right? So all of our stocks are approaching a resistance level here, which is pre-market. Well, this one was like right here. Square. Ooh, Square blasted through, but Square was right here, just under 210. So let's see what happens here. AMC, I don't like this tailing wick off the top. I'm going to get rid of my calls here. Pretty much selling them for break even.
Did you see Mama? And you see?
Take a look at the TQs. TQs approaching resistance here, which is this orange line. SPY approaching resistance here, which is this orange line. Let's see if we get a reversal of the market here. Ooh, AMC. Let's take a look. Let's see if TQs can blast through this orange line. If they can, I'm going to need to get rid of my puts. So we see tweezer top forming right here on the SPY. Trying to add to my puts here. Getting rejection on the TQs as well. We are holding this area of consolidation. So let's see. looking a little toppy here. Watching the TQs. Watching SPY. Misu, you go in the room.
Banana.
Square coming down. Let's see what happens when we get to this blue line here. So most of tech is coming down. SPY is still trying to hang out up here.
Very good. Banana.
So we formed tweezer top here. Generally, that means we'll get a reversal. Let's see if that happens. Ooh, AMC pushing, but it is slowing down. Volume is falling off. We got tech coming down. So I'm looking for the SPY to break this level here, which was a previous double bottom. Kind of the last two candles here, and we double topped here. So we're kind of playing right in this level. Let me just draw it out for you guys. Right here, so a break above bullish, a break below bearish. Right now I'm taking a bear stance just because the market has been very weak, and I do know we have liquidity test today. We did get bailed out over the last 2 days there, but it is a short-term interest-free loan from the government. It is a sizable loan, right? 400 billion. So they're probably using that to once again over leverage and pump up the markets. Tech is struggling to rebound though. GameStop holding this level here. Very nice. Just bouncing off the blue line. The SPY pausing as we get to this yellow line. Woo, look at this volume coming on AMC. That's madness. So the next downturn on AMC, I'm going to need to pick up some. We got volume coming in on AMC, which is very impressive at these peaks here. I'm getting out of my puts here on the SPY. And I need to go bullish here. Let's see if we can break these levels on the SPY. If we do, I have to flip to the long side. AMC, if we break this level here, I think AMC just has a lot of volume coming in this morning. TQ is looking strong, SPY looking strong, AMC, I think I'm just going to buy and hold. So I got two $12 calls for tomorrow. SPY looks like it wants to run. I'm going to get rid of all of my puts here. I can always get back in if it falls. Let me see what happens as we get to this level. So we're getting rejected right now, right off the orange. We did not hold this yellow line. AMC below $12. Massive volume on this candle here. Trying to hold this line here on the SPY. Okay, so looks like SPY getting rejected off the orange. I might retake my puts if we break this yellow down here. I'll pull it out to the 15-minute. On the 15-minute, we're starting to get tailing wicks off the top here. Interesting. Okay, so what am I looking for the rest of the day? It is 10:27. TQs kind of topping out here. Kind of the same thing as the SPY. We're kind of trading in this channel. Tips, tips. So we break this, break the blue, it's going to be a downward trend from here on out on the TQs, on the SPY. Kind of the same thing. We broke these tips here. We broke this yellow. This is going to be my marker here. We break this. I'm going to buy some puts. That's pretty much all I'm looking for right now. AMC, really good volume coming in for today. I'm going to hold my calls until the end of the day, see where that goes. But if we break this line here, I'll be getting out of my calls. This was a previous consolidation. This is also where the blue line is as well. SPY looks like we're coming down here. I'm going to wait, I might buy a put here. Buy one for next week. $400 strike. Just because we are playing for that gap fill. Where'd you go, gap fill? Moving on to the daily here. This gap fill right here, we almost got there if we broke this level here, 403, which we did pre-market. We just didn't make it all the way down to here, which is the 461 mark. So I'm looking for that right now. We do have an inside day right now. Lower high still. Yesterday's high was 412.48. Let's see if we get that. Otherwise, right now I got puts on the SPY. Yeah, it looks like we're coming down here on the tech sector. We broke below this blue line. We're playing towards the lower end of this channel. But remember, guys, volume can always come in and blast us up, which is this here, low volume moves on the SPY. Didn't even need volume to move. We got game kind of moving as well. But I think game and AMC are going to be moving together if they do blast off. They're both very, very highly shorted. Ooh. So we got the SPY just blasting off here. I'm getting out of all my puts. What?
He's waiting for you at the garage when you're done.
Okay. I'm going to get on my puts right now on the SPY. It is just up and down, up and down. It's too back and forth for me. But I am going to buy more game here. Alright, so that's it for me today, guys. It looks like we're going to have a bullish day. 1031. Playing near the high of the resistance. I like it. AMC, if it breaks this, I'm getting out. Alright, that's it for me, guys. This is Mitch from Dumb Money Day Trading, signing off for now. I hope you guys learned a lot. I hope you guys had fun, and I hope you guys made some money. I'll see you guys tomorrow for Friday, bright and early, around 9:15, 9:20. Probably closer to 9:20. Yeah, alright. Have a great day, guys. Take care. Bye for now.